Hi everyone, welcome to Zero to Financial Freedom. Today we're going to explain what a stock portfolio is and show you how to build one from scratch, even if you're new to investing. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear step-by-step roadmap to start creating your very own portfolio. First, what is a stock portfolio? Simply put, a stock portfolio is the collection of all the stocks you own. Think of it like a basket where you keep all your investments. A well-diversified portfolio means you're spreading your money across different companies and industries, which can help reduce risk while building long-term wealth. Now, let's walk through how to build a stock portfolio from scratch. Step 1. Define your investment goals. Decide what you're investing for, whether it's retirement, buying a home, or simply growing your savings. Your goals will guide your strategy and risk tolerance. Step 2. Choose a brokerage account. Select a reliable platform like Robinhood, Fidelity, or TD Ameritrade. Open an account and deposit funds that you're ready to invest. Many beginners start small, so don't worry if you have a modest amount. Step 3. Educate yourself about stocks. Before you buy, research companies. Look at their performance, industry trends, and future growth potential. Use tools like Yahoo Finance or MarketWatch for insights. Step 4. Diversify your investments. Instead of putting all your money into one company, aim to invest in different sectors. For example, mix tech stocks with healthcare and consumer goods. This diversification can protect your portfolio from volatility in any one industry. Step 5. Decide on how many stocks to include. A balanced portfolio might start with 10 to 15 stocks. Over time, as you learn more, you can adjust this mix based on performance and market trends. Step 6. Monitor and review regularly. Building a portfolio isn't a one-time event. Review your holdings periodically, stay informed about market news, and rebalance as needed to keep your investments aligned with your goals. In summary, a stock portfolio is your gateway to investing. With clear goals, proper research, diversification, and a bit of patience, you can build a portfolio that grows with you over time. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Zero to Financial Freedom for more practical financial tips. Drop your questions or thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy investing.